Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. Good general rule of thumb with equipment, I'm absolutely anal about this, is you crank the equipment and you let the equipment run. You always let the machine warm up to operating temperature. Don't just take the thing and drive off the trailer and put the rippers in the ground and start working. James River Equipment in Danville, the John Deere dealer down there, and Matthew are allowing me to borrow or demo this tractor a couple of weeks. This is my third job with the TR3. This is the 5.5 foot version made by ABI Attachments. Go look at the parking lot right here and see what we got. All right, so I'm gonna put you low to the ground right there, so hopefully you can see what I'm working with here. I wear a size 12 boot, and you can see how much boot is taking up the potholes, and it's quite a few of them. You can see how deep they are. Really a lot of digging it has to happen right here. We have to get down to the base of this pothole and cut it out, rip it out. Hold my sun drop and watch this. All right, so this right here is the part that I absolutely love. You can look at it, and it is absolutely transformed this area. All the potholes over there completely eliminated. Potholes over here eliminated. There were some high and low spots, some kind of undulated areas out here. All that's gone. I couldn't be more pleased. I mean, that stinking TR3 is flipping bad to the bone. It is absolutely bad to the bone. If you're interested, you better be subscribed to my channel. You better be on my email list. All that's in the description below. GCI Turf Pro, been working super hard on that. It's on a platform totally completely different than YouTube. But once I get everything dialed in and finalized and everything's running smoothly, obviously I'm going to announce it and tell you about it here on YouTube and in my email list. As always, job well done, and I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.